You're throwing away $500 worth of the world's most powerful fertilizer every single year, and you don't even know it. See this sad yellowing plant? Same seed, same light, same water. The only difference? This invisible army living in the soil. Billions of microscopic workers that factory-made fertilizers kill instantly. But what if I told you there's a way to breed your own army? Using nothing but your kitchen trash and 500 of nature's most efficient composting machines. This is worm castings. Black gold. And in the next 15 minutes, I'm going to show you how to turn your garbage into this, while saving $500 a year, eliminating food waste, and growing plants that make your neighbors ask what your secret is. I've spent 3 years testing every worm composting method, so you don't have to make the mistakes I did. My first 3 bins, total disasters. Smell like a sewer. Worms escaping at 2 a.m. A fruit fly invasion that nearly ended my marriage. But then I discovered the system I'm about to share. No smell, no mess, no escape artists, just pure black gold on autopilot. Here's what you need. 2 plastic storage bins, that's it. Cardboard boxes you were going to recycle anyway, and about 500 red wiggler worms. Drill 16 quarter-inch holes in the bottom of your top bin. This creates a self-draining system. No drowned worms, no swampy mess. Shred your cardboard. Old Amazon boxes work perfectly, no glossy stuff, 3 inches deep. This is your worm's home and their food. Soak it until it feels like a wrung-out sponge. Squeeze test. 1 drop means perfect. A stream means too wet. None means too dry. Add a tablespoon of grit. Worms have gizzards, not teeth. They need this to grind food. No azomite. Finely crushed eggshells work perfectly. Here's the secret weapon. A cup of existing castings. This jumpstarts your microbiome. No castings. Wait 1 week before adding worms. Food time. Vegetable scraps, fruit peels, coffee grounds. No meat, dairy, or chili peppers. Those bring pests or harm your worms. 1 thin layer of food, then cover with damp cardboard. This prevents fruit flies. Trust me, you want to prevent fruit flies. Add your worms, 500 to start. Red wigglers only, they're the composting champions. Watch them dive in, they're already working. Check back in 1 week. If the food's gone, add more. If not, wait. Worms are shy in new homes. Patience wins here. Temperature is everything. 55 to 77 degrees Fahrenheit is the sweet spot. Under the kitchen sink, basement, or heated garage. Never in direct sun. Now, let's solve the 5 disasters that kill 90% of beginner bins. First, the smell. A healthy bin smells like forest floor after rain. Rotting food smell? You're overfeeding. Remove the rotting stuff. Add dry cardboard. Fluff it in. Smell gone in 2 hours. Worms escaping? Check moisture. Too dry? Spray water? Too wet? Add cardboard. They need that wrung-out sponge feeling to stay happy. Fruit flies? Cover food completely with cardboard. Or add mosquito netting from day 1. Prevention beats cure every time. Mites mean too much moisture. Dry cardboard fixes it. Rolly-pollies. Pick them out manually. Centipedes? Remove immediately. They're worm predators. 3 months later, your bin is full of black gold. No cardboard visible. Just rich, earthy castings. Time to harvest without touching a single worm. Method 1. The lazy migration. Set a new bin with holes on top. Add fresh bedding and food. Hungry worms climb up through the holes. Wait 2 weeks. They'll abandon the bottom bin for fresh food. You get worm-free castings with 0 handling. This is my favorite method. Need castings now? Use a screen. Castings fall through. Worms stay on top. Fast, but you handle worms. Your choice. The light method works too. Worms hate light. They dive deep. You scrape the top layer. Wait. Repeat. Slow but effective. The bait method. Place melon rind on one side. Wait 3 days. Worms swarm the sweet fruit. Harvest the other side. Simple. However you harvest, use castings within a month for maximum potency. Fresh is best. Here are 4 ways to use your black gold. New plants? Handful in the hole. Plant on top. Backfill. More castings around the base. Water. That's it. No mixing, no measuring. Raised beds? Thin layer on top. Slow release feeding all season. Reapply monthly. Watch your plants explode with growth. Starting seeds? Castings in the trench first. Seeds on top. Cover with soil. Higher germination rates. Stronger seedlings. Guaranteed. Houseplants love castings too. Sprinkle on top. Fork into the soil. Water. Monthly application. Watch your indoor jungle thrive. Big box stores sell synthetic fertilizers for $20 a bag. You just made premium organic fertilizer for free, from trash, while eliminating food waste. Every pound of food scraps you compost keeps methane out of the atmosphere. You're not just growing better plants, you're healing the planet. 3 years ago, I killed every houseplant I touched. Today, my neighbors ask what my secret is. This is it, right here in my hands. If this video saved you $500 and taught you something new, hit that subscribe button, ring the bell, drop a worm emoji in the comments. Next week, I'm revealing the 5 vegetables that absolutely explode when grown in pure castings. You won't believe the harvests. Don't miss it. Thanks for watching. I'm Alex. Remember, nature already figured out the perfect fertilizer. We just need to listen. Grow smarter, not harder. Your kitchen trash is about to become your garden's greatest treasure. Start today. See you in the next one.